Solar energy, it is a clean, renewable source to power our homes and our businesses. But the upfront costs have the panels installed on your property, that can be about $10,000 to $15,000 right out of your pocket, even with all of the government rebates. So now there is a way to produce solar energy at zero cost to the homeowner. Consumer reporter Marilyn Morris explains all you have to do is rent out your roof.
Am I going to have a meter that's going to tell me how much my solar panels generated?
Myra Garcia is about to cash in on the sunshine.
I think it's really time for San Antonio to go solar.
She's going solar by renting out her roof. Crews are installing big solar panels on her Southside house, the first for Solar Host, CPS Energy's pilot program with PowerFin partners.
The upfront cost of solar has been a financial, let's say, barrier.
In this program, PowerFin buys, installs, and maintains all of the equipment for 20 years. The owner of the roof is paid 3 cents for each kilowatt hour generated, approximately $20. It's credited on their monthly CPS bill. The energy generated from these solar panels on top of this roof will not necessarily power this particular house. Instead, it will feed the CPS Energy grid.
It's important to have not only your traditional sources through natural gas, through coal-fired plants, but it's important to be able to explore renewables and what that means.
Solar Host has 4,000 applications but needs more. They look for homes with southern to western sun exposure and little shade. They plan to install panels on about 850 homes next year across town.
Now it's accessible to areas of San Antonio that they couldn't adopt solar before. You know, if you're driving through this neighborhood, it's essentially a solar desert.
I always wanted it. I thought it was a great idea. I think we need it in our city, but the cost again was something that I could never afford.
Yeah.
And then these panels over here.
Now Garcia is glad to be going green and saving some too. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.